Today we're diving into Warp, a new AI terminal designed specifically for developers. With its promise of enhancing productivity and streamlining workflows, is it really the game changer it claims to be, or just another tool that misses the mark? Warp is a terminal built from the ground up with a focus on speed and collaboration. Right off the bat, the interface feels modern and user-friendly, which is a refreshing change from traditional terminals. It integrates AI features that aim to assist developers by providing smart suggestions and automating repetitive tasks. One standout feature is the ability to share terminal sessions in real time, which could be a game changer for teams working remotely. This could really enhance collaboration, but I wonder how well it performs under heavy usage. However, there are some areas that feel a bit vague, particularly regarding the depth of its AI capabilities. The website mentions intelligent command suggestions, but it doesn't go into much detail about how this works in practice. Overall, Warp seems tailored for developers looking for a fresh take on terminal usage, but there are still some questions about its long-term value. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Warp's modern interface and real-time collaboration features are definitely appealing. It could make coding more efficient and enjoyable, especially for teams. However, there are some drawbacks worth mentioning. First, while the AI features sound great in theory, they may not be as reliable or robust as some users would hope. There's also the concern about pricing while it's competitive. It's not clear if the value justifies the cost for every developer. Additionally, traditional terminal users might struggle with the transition as it's quite different from what they're used to. Overall, while Warp has significant potential, it may not suit everyone, especially those who prefer a more classic terminal experience. In conclusion, Warp is an intriguing option for developers seeking a modern terminal experience. If you value collaboration and AI-enhanced workflows, it's worth a try. But if you're deeply rooted in traditional terminal workflows, you might want to explore alternatives first. Overall, it's a promising tool, but proceed with cautious optimism.